Alright, here we go. We're doing the, these are Hornady. They're Lever Revolution look-alike bullets. We're going to do them, that's a defensive round. Going to do it through the Cimarron and then through the Rossi survival rifle and compare the two on the expansion. So stay tuned. It is very humid and there's still work to be done after these videos. Alright, here we go again. Got another huge difference between the two. We'll take it back to the table and see if you know which is which. Stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We've got the Hornady, what are these? Critical defense, I believe. On the 45 Colt. They kind of look like the Lever Revolution, but they are not. There is a difference. I mean, you got to break down the bullet to really see the difference, other than the more pointy nipple on top. But once again, we'll let you decide which one came through the pistol and which one through the rifle. And there's the pistol. We pretty much didn't do nothing on it. It had great penetration, though, more penetration than this, because this was opened up and catching on the jeans. So there's that. We're not going to take any dimensions on that one. Let's just kind of get a guess, because we have no battery in here. So right about there. That's at 6. 6 out of a hair, just over 4. That's actually what, like 4.3, I think. 4.1. But we get some weight going on these. And just see if they're weighing roughly the same. 185.2 and 185.2. Pretty much you can say we've got no loss of weight on these. But that's the difference right there between the rifle with the 3-inch gap, cylinder gap in there, because that rifle's chambered for 410 as well, so it's got the gap. But that's what you got at about 7 yards, 8 yards, 10 yards in there through a handgun. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between these and the Lever Revolutions, which I don't have anymore, it's basically, it's right here. It's all in the length of the bullet. Right there. That's your difference. As you can see, we got it right there. That is the difference between Lever. So if you're ever wondering, if you ever sat there and say, there really ain't no difference between these. That looks like about 3.5 roughly. And that looks about 2. So 0.15 difference on the length of the bullet between the Lever Revolution and the defensive bullet. So there you go. That's the difference between the two, if you were wondering. So there you are. Let's get that out of there. And there it is, right there. Pistol, rifle. Thanks for watching.